Okay, today we are unboxing a couple things, but the main item of this list is Insta360 Twin Edition with a fast charging hub, battery case, and battery base. And of course, a micro SD card, Extreme 256 gigabytes. So let's talk about this unique module camera that I do believe is definitely going to cause some problems for the GoPro and all the other action cameras. Of course, you can see the fast charge hub and charge two batteries at the same time, a very secure micro SD card, which is a SanDisk. It's a very popular brand and very trusted worldwide. Let's go ahead and start with the battery base. Pretty simple and good packaging from the company. It is pretty crazy that with this small of a battery, you can film 5.7K resolution with 30 frames per second for 70 minutes. Or you can do 4K 60 frames per second for 70 minutes as well. Now let's go ahead and open up fast charge hub as usual, power brick, the actual core where you can attach two batteries in the box, more manuals and some cords. It pushes the battery with connectors aligned and it clicks into place. If you want to detach it, just pull this over to the side and it simply detaches. Now let's quickly open up a hero of this unboxing, the Insta360 ONE-R. As you can see on the top, it has connected to the brains of this modular system. Then you can have a 360 lens that again you can swap with that 4K wide lens, and of course another battery. What's in the white box? Some more cables, stickers, lens cloth, quick start guide, again nobody ever reads, and here is the cage that supposedly not only protects the camera, also provides a better audio capturing for this action camera, and the actual mount that looks almost identical to GoPro. And actually let's go ahead and take a look at my GoPro 8 if it does fit, so you will know that if you do have a system of GoPro, it is gonna be an easy switch for you. Nice, it fits just like a glove perfectly. Let's go ahead and put it back on original casing. Little stickers if you that type of person who wants to slap it on your laptop. Let's go ahead and attach the battery. It is an easy to turn on and select language, and the touch actually works really great. Let's take a protective film off to take off the battery. Just simply push lever and it is very easy to detach brain from the lens. If you have another type of lens or any other lenses that this company makes, just simply attach the brain to it and easy to push it in and out. The crazy part is that it is waterproof up to 5 meters. Some of these batteries when you are doing unboxing are low on charge, so let's go ahead and charge them. Of course, you have to download the app and make sure you update all the software and camera connections to the Bluetooth, and super simple to do. Confirming then goes into a update. Notes here's absolutely crazy as it can talk to it, but I will show it on the screen. Now here I will put on the screen all the specs, all the cool features of this camera, from crazy stabilization, amazing 360 video and photo options, to the most common codecs you would ever need in video, H.264 and H.265. Fantastic photo capturing options. Very responsive touchscreen. However, I do prefer using the app for adjusting your settings. This camera has been out for quite a while now, but on this day, it's one of the top competitors in action camera industry. By using the selfie stick, it simply disappears out of the shot and it can emulate the drone shot. Well, my friend, I hope this video was helpful for you in taking a first look and my impressions of this amazing action camera that is a module. By the way, if you're into learning more about this camera and you're interested to see some more sample of me using this camera, please subscribe to the channel and do all the good stuff, you know, like, subscribe and comment. And again, my friend, stay awesome and I will see you in the next video. It's one of the top competitors in the it's one of the top competitors in it's it's one of the top competitors. It's one of the top competitors in auction. It's one of the top competitors in auction. Action. Action, damn it.